this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi internet on your Google Pixel phone. So just swipe down from the top right and we can see Wi-Fi in the top left on this widget. We can just hold down on here and make sure it's turned on. Now it's going to start scanning for networks on the top, so let's turn this on. And go down to networks and choose the network and then just select it. So I think this one is mine. And then you're going to need to type in a password for your network. Now most of the time if you look on the router, they'll have a default password, so if you ever reset it for whatever reason, you can just type in the password that's listed on your router if it has never been changed before. So just type it in right here. I'll type it in off screen and then I should be able to connect. So once I have the password in here, I can just go on over to where it says connect and I should be able to connect to it. And this network will get saved. So at any point in time I come back to this location, it should be on here already. It looks like I typed the password in wrong for this one. I think it's because I reset it and the password is no longer the same. So this router is the same though. So I can connect it to it at any point in time if I'm in range. So we have this auto connect feature turned on, allow connection to the network when in range. So if you want to turn that off, you can. But very easy to connect to a network. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.